Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and my tutorial about using Microsoft Word 2013. Now our lesson for today is I will demonstrate to you how to create new document, enter, insert, delete, and change the text in your document, use different keys in moving around the document, identify the backstage view and the different kinds of views of your document, perform conversion of Word file document, and demonstrate saving, closing, exiting, and opening a previously saved document. Now, first, we have to open Microsoft Word. Now, search it on the address bar, and then you click Microsoft Office Word 2013, and you will be transferred on this screen. Now, we have here the blank document. And also you can see here the different templates. So we have lots of templates here. Now choose any template you want depending on the needs. But for now, for our demonstration today, just click blank document. And then you will be transferred on the interface of the Microsoft Word 2013. Now, how to create new document after you create your first document. Now, if you want to create new document, just go to File and click New here, and then click Blank Document. And there you have it. You have now the document 2. Now, how to enter and change text in your document. Now, you may type your text on the blinking insertion point of your document. Now, it's here. Now, as you type, your text will automatically flow to the next line. For example, Microsoft Word. You can also type a new line by pressing the Enter key in your keyboard. You can create a blank line by pressing the Enter key without typing on the line. Now, how to insert text within this text? Now, you can insert text within your typed document. Now, first, you have to click your mouse pointer on the location where you want your text inserted. For example, you want to insert text here, and then you type your text. Or, number 2, type your text on the blinking insertion point. Now, for example, here, and then you type, let's say, period. There. Now, how to delete now the text? As you are typing or modifying your document, you may find that you have to change your typed text. There are 5 ways to delete a text. Now, first, point the mouse pointer at the end of the text or sentence you want to be removed and press the backspace on the keyboard. So you click here and then press the backspace. Now, second, place the mouse pointer at the beginning of the text or sentence you want to be removed and press delete. Now, number 3, drag the mouse pointer in order to highlight the text or sentence you want to be removed and press backspace. Now, number 4, double-click the text to highlight the word, yes, word only, and press delete or backspace. So just double-click it, double-click it, and then press backspace or delete. Now, for the last step, triple-click the text to highlight the sentence, then press delete or backspace. Now, let's say, for example, you have sentence here. So if you want to delete the entire line or sentence, triple click it and then press delete. Now, how to move around the document? You can move around the document by pressing the arrow keys on the keyboard. Now, the down arrow goes down one line in the document. So press here, let's say your cursor is here, and then you press down arrow, it goes one line. Now the up arrow goes up one line in the document. So let's say, for example, your cursor is here, and then press up arrow there. Now the left arrow allows you to go to the left of the document. Now you press one character at the left using the left arrow. Now right arrow allows you to go to the right of the document. Press right arrow, it goes one character going to the right. Now you may use also page up and page down buttons on your keyboard. Now if you press page down, you will go down in your document. Page up, you will go up in your document. Now you may also use end and home key in your keyboard. Now if you press end, let's say for example your cursor is here, it will go to the end of the line. Now once you press home, otherwise you will go at the beginning of the line. Now we can also have control home and control end. Now once you press control end, you will go to the end of the document. Now this is the last part of our document. Now once you press control home in your keyboard, you will go at the beginning of the document. Now, how to change the view of our document? There are many ways that you can view your document. It is important to know the different ways so that you will know what view to use to perform your task easily and efficiently. To view a document in different forms, number one, click the document view shortcut at the bottom of the screen. It's here. Now, which shows the read mode, the print layout, and the web layout. You can also click the View tab on the ribbon and select the read mode, print layout, web layout, outline view, and draft view. Now, click on the document view you prefer. Now, what is the read mode? Now, this is the view that displays your documents in easy-to-read columns on the screen. Editing tools are removed to minimize distraction, but you still have access to the tools and view menu. Now, this is the print layout view. This is a view of the document as it would appear when printed. It includes all tables, text, graphics, and images. For the web layout, this is a view of the document as it would appear in a web browser. Now let's go to the outline view. This is an outline form of the document in the form of bullets. Now let's go now, close it, and let's go now to the draft view. Now draft view does not display pictures, layouts, it just view and display text. Now let us go to the print layout view here. Now today, I will demonstrate to you also how to zoom your document. Now, first you have to click the View tab and you click the Zoom command here. Click it and then it will launch a dialog box. Now, click the Zoom % here and here. So for example, you want to view or zoom your document in 100%, 200%, or 75%, and then you click OK. there. Now, how to use the print preview. Print preview shows how the document will look on printed paper. You can access the print preview on the quick access toolbar, or you may go here on the file, click print, and this is now your print preview. So we have different printing options here, and you can also view your document here using the backstage view. Now, speaking of backstage view allows you to view all the tools you need to open, save, print, and work on your document all in one view. This view allows the various commands as tabs so that you easily find the tasks and option you want to apply in your document. Now, if you want to go to the backstage view, again, go to File, and then to Display, and then it will display the backstage view. Now, you may review the file properties here. For example, on the New, Open, Saved, Save As, Print, Share, Export, and Close. Now, click X here. Now, how to save your document? Now, to save your document, you may go also to the File tab, click Save, and then click the Browse option here. Now, Microsoft Word provides many ways to save a document. It is important to know how each functions individually. New, edited, and open document may be saved for future use or for a succeeding action such as printing and modifying. Now, here, you may save your document in different file tabs. Now, we have here the Word document. Word document saves the file as a Word document. Now, Word template saves the document as a template that can be used to format future document. Word 97 to 2003 document saves a copy of the document that is fully compatible with Word 97 to 2003. Next is Open Document Text here. Saves the document in the Open Document format. Now we have here the PDF file. It publishes a copy of the document as a PDF file. And we have the other formats here. Now by default, it's Word document. Now after you choose the file, click Save. Now the other way of saving your document, if you have the Save icon here on the Quick Access toolbar, you may click that if you want. Now, how to close the document? Closing a document removes it from the screen. MS Word will ask if you want to save any changes made before the document is closed. Now, you may click the File menu and then click Close here. Or, you might just simply click the Close button here at the upper right corner of the window to close your document. Now, how to open a previously saved document. Now, you may go here on the File tab and then access back the document you have created here, and then you have now your previously saved document. That is all for today. Thank you for listening and watching my video. Please do not forget to like and subscribe.